Masbate, we are proud and we are fortunate that we have several products, auto products na available na po sa aton, sa SM, sa LCC, and sa Robinsons in the mainland dito. So what are those? Sa SM po, SM Legazpi and SM Sorsogon. Unfortunately, we don't have SM here. The corned beef and the tapa is available po sa SM Legazpi and SM Sorsogon. It is the MJ Homemade Food Products. Wala ba yung nakawin? Sure. The MJ Homemade Food Products are available po sa SM Legazpi. We also have the San Jacinto Sardines. No? Locally produced siya na sardines in corn oil and olive oil from San Jacinto, Masbate.